Let's take a look at our Titan Smart Kinetic Driver. Now, the Smart Kinetic Drivers are great for any control options such as smart tech with voice control or mobile phone with an app. They are also compatible with our Wireless Kinetic Switch. Now, with a Wireless Kinetic Switch such as this, I have the ability to turn my lighting on and off at the click of a button with no wires to the switch itself. What we then have is 3 versions of that switch within the range: our single gang, a 2 gang, and a 3 gang version. Now, the 1 gang will give me on and off. Our 2 gang version is great if we are controlling anything such as CCT lighting, as the left hand switch will operate on and off and the right hand switch will operate colour change. Our 3 gang version has been designed to allow for extra control of zones. I could have under cabinet lighting, plinth lighting and island lighting, each one hooked up to their own switch, which would give me the left would do the under cabinets, the right would do the plinth, and the final one would do the island. Within the Titan Smart Kinetic family, you will find a couple of options. Firstly, you will see drivers in varying wattage sizes. That is to allow for if you're using a small amount of lighting up to larger projects with more lights attached. You will also see that we sell a Titan Smart Kinetic Driver in both a 2-pin option and a 4-pin option. This all relates to which light you have chosen. Our 2-pin connection driver is suitable for use with our single colour, trio tone and duo ranges, and our 4-pin driver is suitable for any product from our CCT and Pro range. In this section, I'm going to show you how to pair our kinetic switch to our Titan Smart Kinetic Driver. This is a very easy process. All we do to begin with is locate the kinetic switch reset button on our driver. If I hold down on that button for 5 seconds, you will see that a blue light begins to flash within the driver. I then can click my kinetic switch and you will see the blue light has disappeared. That now means that pairing is complete and I can now use the wireless switch for both on and off functionality. Not only that, when we are using a wireless kinetic switch, we also gain dimming function. If I take that switch and hold down, you will see that it begins to adjust the brightness. As that dims down, if I then decide to turn the lighting on and back off, it will remember the brightness level that it is set to, and if I hold down again, it will readjust the brightness back up to full for me. As you can see here, we have all the required components for a wireless control via the kinetic switch with our Titan Smart Kinetic Driver in the 4-pin variant. When we have the 4-pin variant, this will be a CCT/Pro product with the ability to change through the colour temperatures. So in this setup, we have a standard 3-pin plug operating our driver, and we've used the wireless switch to allow us for on and off, as well as colour change through the colour temperatures of cool white, natural white and warm white. The reason we would opt for a wireless kinetic switch is, as you can see, my driver is operating via a standard 3-pin plug, which means this could be hidden behind furniture. It could be underneath a plinth or maybe behind a bookcase or in a place that is inaccessible. By opting for the wireless switch, it allows us for the on and off control without needing to gain access to the plug socket. Our kinetic switches are also compatible with our 240 volt kinetic receiver. What these will do is give me on and off of any 240 volt mains powered product such as ceiling spotlights or bathroom mirrors.